G'day guys, hope you're all well. It's a Saturday here and I'm giving you the bi-weekly video. So basically I wanted to go through and show you my watch list from yesterday and just sort of update you on it. For those of you who are in market view, you'll have probably taken or looked at or had the opportunity to either take or knock back some of these trading opportunities that we're setting up. And for those of you who are not in market view or haven't done any of the courses, that's fine. I just want to show you what's been looked at. So basically yesterday, Bitcoin pulled back up into this cradle zone. Sorry, not yesterday, the day before, which meant that yesterday was the day for which the short trade was potentially available. Now, I'd said that it wasn't in the best downtrend. It was not in a bad one. The monthly's down, the weekly's down, the daily's down. And if you didn't have any exposure to the downside, then Bitcoin was definitely a possibility for a short. For which, if you had have taken that as a cradle, which is the sort of suggestion I was making, that, you know, if the suggestion being made was more about it was a cradle that was setting up, not a suggestion to take it. It was an option. Now, if you see here, because obviously everybody makes their own decisions, I don't tell you what to do. Just want to make that very, very clear. You can see it broke down through these lows here. Hasn't broken the high, so if it was taken, it's still valid. It's still there. And if you have a look here now on the 4 hour, I think this is the 4, yeah. It is a little bit sideways. I'd love to see it break down through this level to then, to have that downtrend continue. Ethereum Classic was the other one. I really like the look of this chart. I still do actually. You can see here it broke down through that support. Nice convergence. Pulled back up into roughly that level. Below $4. There was an entry point. It's sitting right around that entry point right now, around the break of the low of this candle for a cradle trade as well. And it's just holding there, not doing a great deal. And I don't really expect too much to happen over the weekend because often that's what happens over the weekend, i.e. things slow down. But still looking good, and for anybody that took that, it's still fine. Same with Bitcoin for that matter. Now Monero is still on the list. This is one that I've been watching for quite some time. If I zoom out, you'll actually see here that it's been holding out sideways for quite a while. That's the heavy arm theory. The longer you hold your arms out horizontal to your shoulder, the heavier they will get, and eventually they'll drop. And that's what I'm seeing here. If we break that support, it does look like we might see another leg down. So I've been keeping a close eye on that on the 8 hour. And here you can see why. Test 1, test 2, nearly test 3. If we can get another test over here and start to see some convergence, then a stop loss, if we move from here down, could go behind this level as a Bitcoin breakout. Need to see convergence there. So it's still very much on the radar. And finally, Binance has had a very nice run. A very classic little cradle trade here, pulled back into the cradle zone. I've been stalking this for a long time. Moved back in, broken above, and it looks like it here would have hit about 1-to-1. Now, I didn't take 1-to-1 because I'm looking to hold this for a bit more. I explained that in my market view video yesterday, but certainly a nice move so far. Looks like it would have hit 1-to-1 if that's all that you were after. So there's some of the trades from the watch list that I put out yesterday to market view community, VIP and LTF members. So why don't I just come through and review it for those guys and also for the rest of you to show you what I'm looking at and the sorts of trades that I'm teaching within the trading strategies that are within the courses, guys. So if now is not the time to get involved with trading, hey, that's fine, it's up to you. But let me tell you one thing. These are skills that you can use across all sorts of different areas. Make the most of them. Learn as much as you can, because when the market gets going, whether it go up or down, you don't want to miss out. Have a great weekend, guys. I'll speak to you soon and jump across to the tradercobb.com website and have a look at bundles. Cheers, guys. Bye for now.